Hey guys, so we're back. This is a second charging test now for the GT Neo 3. Yesterday it charged just over 19 minutes, I believe it was, which I thought was slow, to be honest. And then it wasn't until I was having a look around, like on the battery settings here, we have rapid charging there. Let me show you a bit closer. There, rapid charging, that was off. So now for this test, I will be, turn it on. I don't know why they have the option there. I think it should just be fast charging no matter what, unless they know about some, obviously, degrading in battery with all this super fast charging. But last night I was trying to drain this battery as fast as I could, so I just was watching videos. Well, I just left it on the side on YouTube to drain the battery. In terms of screen on time, I don't know if that's 11 hours is right, but there was 8 hours at one point yesterday, and it was still going strong. But anyway, we have rapid charging now on, and we're on 2% battery. I need to drain this 2% battery and then start from zero for the purpose of this video, obviously. And I have the Realme GT 2, who's going to be on the stopwatch. What am I doing? Let's drain this battery. Let's put that on. 4 hours of video. This should drain the battery. Make sure it's being viewed in 4K. Okay. This is going to be sped up though, just to hurry it up. It should die soon, hopefully. It's at 2% battery. Oh, we're at 1% now. Okay, so I wasn't expecting this. 7 minutes, and it was still on 1%. Obviously, it was at 2%, but I thought it would have died by now. But this is good to know, though. If you've got that last, like a couple of percent left, you're getting a good 7 minutes out of it by the looks of it. Don't worry, we'll get onto the charging test in a moment. I tell you, that's insane, isn't it? It's not charging, it's plugged in, relatively switched on at the wall, but we're approaching 13 minutes now, and it's still on 1%. Battery stamina is looking excellent. Once it's down to zero, I'm then going to start my new charging test. Right, there we go. It's just turned off. 16 minutes and 59 seconds. That's how long it took to drain from 2%. And like I said, 1% of that must have been about 15 minutes. Wow, now I'm going to start my charging test again. That's insane. Normally you get maybe a couple of minutes on 1%. Nearly 17 minutes for this to drain. Battery stamina looks absolutely insane on this. Playing back a 4K video. Right, let's actually start the video, the proper video, to see how fast this actually charges now with the rapid charging option turned on. Right, here we go. We have the Realme logo. The phone is booted up. Charging speed test begins. Everyone likes to see this. Here we go. Ultra Dart. A minute, but 5%. Okay, 5-minute check. We're at 47%. Wow, that is, I think, seems to be a lot faster than yesterday at the moment. Okay, we're going to do a 7-minute check. We're at 58%. 58. Okay, so we're coming up to the 10-minute mark. Let's launch this now. 71%, 72%. Nearly 10 minutes, 10 minutes, boom, 72%. Just hit 73. Okay, so we're approaching 12 minutes. 82% at the moment, 83. What's it going to be at 12 minutes? 83%. Oh, 84. So near 13 minutes. We're at 88%. And we are 89% after 13 minutes. This is looking a lot better than yesterday. Okay, we're approaching the 15-minute mark. I'm at 97%. Wow, that's so close. I'm gonna have to keep this open a little bit now. 15 minutes and yeah, 98%. You have to keep that open. Yes, it could affect the finish time, but I want to be 100% certain the time finished here. 99%. 99%. Come on. What we're going with here? What we're going? Got to be under 16 minutes, hasn't it? 99%. 100%. There we go. 100% charged. 15 minutes and 31 seconds. Now that is with the rapid charging button turned on. Superb. Let's have heat test. What was that? I swear I saw 50 something there. Well, I think that might have been from the previous reading when I last used it. Okay, 40 Celsius, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so around about 41 Celsius. And the charging block, wow, how hot's that? 55, 56. It's hot there, 56 Celsius for the charging block. But obviously the big news is 15 minutes and 31 seconds there, guys, from 0 to 100%. I'm happy with that. That's the quickest I've ever seen. I don't know about all records out there. 150 watt charger in 15 minutes 31 seconds. Yesterday, without that switch turned on, I got 19 minutes and 16 seconds pretty much. So it's pretty much 4 minutes faster. Wicked. Do you know what I mean? 15 minutes, 100% charge. Insane. Okay guys, so that's the test done. I'm happy. Thank you all very much for watching. If you've liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.